For 20 years, I've been traveling and taking photographs and exploring this big, crazy, beautiful world and trying to document and bring those places back to people. My name's Corey Richards, and I'm a photographer and explorer for National Geographic. My draw to photography has always been about connecting people and showing the things that make us different as a tool to show how we're actually all the same. Finding stories that have meaning in this age of information is actually really, really hard. And you have to dig, and it requires going to some very remote places, some places that are deeply uncomfortable, and pushing yourself outside of it. We're taking a Rolls-Royce on its final test that essentially explores an incredibly diverse set of landscapes, and our goal is actually to try and break the vehicle to see how much it can withstand. It's pretty exciting for me as a photographer to have this vehicle that can actually take me into these places that's at once luxury but incredibly rugged. And it calls back to the history of the brand and this ethos that we can go farther and yet still maintain this heightened level in doing so. Let's see where this takes us. Let's see what we get. Let's see how far we can take this car, and let's see how we can document that and bring it back.